Ace your next exam, mastering preparation techniques. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English learning for you. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many learners: how to prepare for an exam. Whether it's for school, college, or a language proficiency test, knowing the right strategies can make all the difference. So, let's get started and make sure you're fully equipped to ace your next exam. When we talk about preparing for an exam, we mean the process of getting ready for a test where your knowledge or skills in a particular subject will be evaluated. This preparation involves a variety of strategies, such as reviewing material, practicing past papers, and planning your study time effectively. It's not just about memorizing facts but understanding concepts, improving your skills, and boosting your confidence. One of the key steps in exam preparation is creating a study schedule. This means organizing your study time before the exam in a way that covers all the necessary topics without overwhelming you. Here's how to do it. Break down the syllabus. List all the topics you need to cover. Allocate time. Decide how much time you'll spend on each topic, based on your strengths and weaknesses. Include breaks. Short breaks can help improve concentration and reduce stress. Studying smart is as important as studying hard. Here are some effective techniques. Active learning. Engage with the material by summarizing, questioning, and teaching concepts to someone else. Practice tests. Simulate exam conditions by timing yourself and working through past exam papers. Use mnemonics. Memory aids like acronyms can help remember lists or concepts. Feeling nervous before an exam is normal, but don't let anxiety derail your preparation. Here's how to manage it. Stay positive. Remind yourself of your preparation and hard work. Relaxation techniques. Try deep breathing, meditation, or exercise to reduce stress. Get enough sleep. A good night's sleep before the exam can improve focus and performance. Preparing for an exam doesn't have to be daunting. With the right strategies and mindset, you can approach your next test with confidence and calm. Remember, it's about understanding your material, practicing effectively, and taking care of your well-being. We hope these tips help you on your journey to success. Good luck! And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.